Welcome back to the channel, crypto enthusiasts. Today we've got some major updates to discuss from the last week in the crypto world. We're talking about Avalanche's huge price rally, the rapid growth of tokenized real-world assets, major moves in central bank digital currencies, and key events coming up in September that could shake up the market. So let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with Avalanche, AVAX, which has been the star of the crypto market over the past week. AVAX has surged more than 30% since August 16th, moving from a consolidation phase around $20 to approach the crucial $30 resistance level. This rally comes after a prolonged downtrend, with AVAX finally breaking through its 23.6% Fibonacci extension level, a key indicator that bullish momentum might continue. So, why is this $30 level so important? Historically, $30 has been a strong resistance point for AVAX, and breaking above it could open the door to further gains, possibly even pushing towards the next major resistance around $37.50. However, traders should be cautious, as a failure to break through could lead to a retracement back towards lower support levels. As always, it's crucial to watch the market closely, especially as Bitcoin's movement often influences altcoins like AVAX. Now let's dive into one of the most transformative trends in crypto right now, the tokenization of real-world assets, also known as RWAs. This is where physical assets like real estate, commodities, or even art are converted into digital tokens that live on the blockchain. These tokens represent ownership of a fraction of the asset, making it easier to trade, manage, and invest in these traditionally illiquid markets. Why is this so groundbreaking? Well, RWAs are bringing a whole new level of accessibility and liquidity to assets that were once difficult to trade. Imagine being able to buy and sell shares of a piece of real estate as easily as you trade crypto. This isn't just a concept, it's happening right now, with several projects leading the charge, supported by evolving regulatory frameworks. We're seeing increasing interest from institutional investors, which could drive significant growth in this sector. The future of DeFi could very well be intertwined with the rise of RWAs, offering more diversified investment opportunities and bringing new capital into the crypto ecosystem. Next, let's examine the rapid development of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Over the past week, there have been significant advancements from major economies. China's digital yuan continues to expand its pilot programs, now reaching over 250 million users, while the European Central Bank is making headway with the digital euro, aiming for a launch by 2026. These CBDCs are not just digital versions of cash, they're designed to enhance the efficiency and security of financial transactions while providing governments with better tools for monetary policy. So what does this mean for the broader crypto market? On one hand, CBDCs could help legitimize digital currencies and bring more people into the ecosystem. On the other hand, there's a growing debate about how they will coexist with decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Will CBDCs complement or compete with these digital assets? And what does this mean for privacy and financial freedom? These are crucial questions as we move toward a future where digital currencies play a central role in the global economy. Finally, let's look ahead to September, a month that's shaping up to be a pivotal one for the crypto world. We've got several key events on the horizon, starting with the US non-farm payroll data on September 1st. This report is closely watched by investors as it provides insight into the health of the US economy, which could impact everything from traditional markets to crypto. Also on the radar is the first US presidential debate on September 26th. Political developments in the US can have a major impact on market sentiment, especially in the run-up to the 2024 elections. And let's not forget the Korean Blockchain Week, where industry leaders will gather to discuss the future of blockchain technology. These events could drive significant volatility in the markets, so it's essential to stay informed and be prepared. With so much happening in September, it's a crucial time to stay on top of the latest developments. Whether you're a trader or a long-term investor, these events could present both challenges and opportunities. So, make sure you're ready for what's to come. And that's a wrap for this week's Crypto News Update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about the rise of CBDCs or the future of RWAs on the blockchain. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.